Good morning, this is Harshila and welcome back to my channel. So I am in Delhi and I'm here for 3 days. Just yesterday we arrived and yesterday I did not do much. I just went to Sarojini Nagar and I did not realize that it was Monday until we were just halfway there and I'm like, oh my god, it's Monday. And I was like, oh, I think it's shut on Mondays, and then we googled it and it's actually shut. But when we went there, the market was open, so I thought of just going through whatever was there. And trust me, there were a lot of shops, but I know, like, I have been to Sarojini and I know usually it's crazier, so I went there, but almost everything was just so wintry and I was like, oh, I don't know if I'll get the use out of it, even though it was like really cheap. Like the clothes were very cheap, but the collection wasn't that great. I only got like 2 tops, that too I do plan on going to Goa. I'm not sure when. So when I saw those 2 summer tops, I was like, I have to get it. Okay, so that's what I did. And I also had aloo tikki yesterday, and then I was out with my friends. We were shooting for a little bit. I'll post that here. Okay, right now I'm at CP and I'm actually meeting a couple of my friends from Mumbai. So this is Ganesh. You guys must be knowing him if you guys are like really active on Instagram. Also, like wearing a mask is like mandatory in Delhi. I mean, it is also mandatory in Mumbai, but nobody really follows it. यहाँ पे fine बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. So yeah, and ठंडी भी बहुत है. Also, my outfit is like really cool. I'm shooting with him for this campaign, and I'm such a good friend, right? Yeah, you are. Yeah. You are a savior for me. Yeah. You know? So he probably just needed someone, and I was also in Delhi, so he's like, hey, can you just come and help me out? I was like, yeah, sure. So right now we are just waiting for some props and then we'll start shooting. It's pretty cold, like really cold, but yeah, I'm really liking it. It's fun. But today I am planning on going to Yamuna Ghat, even though I'm super late because of some misunderstanding. I do know that early in the morning there are a lot of birds, since they are hungry, and when you feed them they come and you can click amazing pictures and amazing reels and all of that. But I know कि अभी काफी time हो गया, like it's pretty late. I think it's 9 already. So yeah, I don't know if there would be enough birds. So this is not my final destination, just by the way. I do plan on going to Himachal, like I do plan on going to Manali, so I'm super excited. Say hi no to my vlog.
Hello, my name is Dev. Catch me on Instagram, DevGXB.
Good morning. I'm all bundled up again. Usually मुझे इतनी ठंडी नहीं feel होती है, but right now I'm standing next to the water body. Yeah, so it's very cold.
Directly.
What?
Don't want to boat. चल आजा बोट पर. बस वहाँ बोट पर. अरे कुछ नहीं होगा. अरे
यार ये मुझे चाटने दे. एक बार चाटने को दिया वो पानी में गिर गया.
पिला. या.
देख नायर का गाना कितना मस्त लगा.
थोड़ा डाल. पिला ऐसा. पीछे जा, go walk, come walking and don't.
अरे
आगे walk. खिला रहे ना. तू बुला एक बार आ जाएगा देखता पे. डाल थोड़ा और आ गए देख. देख आ गए सब आ गए.
12 घंटे क्या काम है?
आ गए. थोड़ा तेरे पैर के इधर डाल, थोड़ा 5 मिनट. थोड़ा पीछे डाल तेरे राइट में. तेरे राइट में. हाँ इधर. हाँ सब. Don't walk on the food.
Guys, so this is Arvind and he lives in Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi.
So he lives here and he's just like showing us around, like me and Dave. So Dave is somewhere else and he's like, okay, wo dekho
Lal Killa. Red Fort.
हाँ, and then he's like, sightseeing कर लो. So I'm like, ये क्या sightseeing है? इतने दूर से ले वो देखो लाल किला करके. So whatever. अभी हम
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
पराठे वाली गली.
अभी हम जा रहे हैं पराठे वाली गली.
या पराठे वाली गली. वहाँ पे कुछ अच्छा स्ट्रीट फूड मिलता है और पराठे भी. Okay, we gotta go. What happens when you like travel with photographers?
स्माइल स्माइल. हंसो थोड़ा. हंसो.
Guys, look at this, so pretty. He's saying कि यहाँ पे सब मिलता है, सब्यसाची से लेके
मनीष मल्होत्रा सब मिलता है इधर. अरे इधर सब कॉफी मिलते हैं. ये शीशगंज गुरुद्वारा है चांदनी चौक.
Guys, अभी we are in पराठे वाली गली and it's basically a gully where you get a lot of street food and a lot of sweets. It's really pretty, very cool.
बताओ कि आपके यहाँ आना है.
Look at the sun rays, so pretty. रणबीर कपूर was here. भैया वही देना जो रणबीर कपूर ने खाया था.
कहाँ पे आई हो?
पराठे वाली गली में. And we have ordered a mixed paratha.
चीज.
This is our mixed paratha in the making. Haven't eaten anything सुबह से. Looking forward to it.
Karanji, paratha, some pumpkin.
This is pumpkin?
Some peas,
chutney.
Pudina chutney, some salad on it, sides on it, some aloo matar on it.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited. Oh, there's lassi also. It is so
How's it?
good.
Yummy?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Good. तो ये है दौलत की चाट. कैसे बनाते हैं भैया?
दूध से बनाते हैं भैया, जैसे मक्खन बनता है में.
हाँ.
उसी तरीके से बनाते हैं.
ओके. कितने टाइम में बनता है?
7 से 8 घंटे लगते हैं.
अच्छा.
हमारा खेमचंद आदेश कुमार के नाम से है, पराठे वाली गली में.
तो चांदनी रात में बनाते हो?
जी सर, चांदनी रात में नहीं, रात में ही बनाते हैं.
अच्छा.
7 से 8 घंटे रात में लगते हैं. उसके बाद
ओके कूल. तो खाओ दौलत की चाट.
खेमचंद दौलत की चाट.
How's it?
It's so good. It's so good.
Good?
Oh my god, it's crazy.
Nice. चलो इनको पसंद आया, पैसा वसूल.
Guys, I don't know if I had mentioned, but my camera was kind of broken. Yeah, it was just giving me a lot of troubles. And then Arvind brought us here.
Kapil Indrajit Vohra.
Yeah. And then he just like, I don't know what did he do.
Magical hand.
Yeah, and then it's fine now within like
Seconds.
fraction of seconds, like which is crazy, right?
गाओ.
I can't sing, guys. इसमें थोड़ी गाऊंगी.
गाओ तो.
चांद सा
रोशन तेरा.
जुल्फों का तेरा.
ये झील सी नीली आंखें.
कोई राज है इनमें गहरा.
तारीफ करूं क्या इनकी.
हाँ, So we are actually staying at this hostel which is Ghost Tops here in Delhi. So we just have these bunk beds, and I think hostels are quite affordable, and also they sanitize every single thing. Like yesterday we already had someone in our room, but the way they sanitized this entire space, which is like, what, like I was just blown. And also when we entered, they sanitized all our bags also, which is crazy because usually they'll check your temperature and they'll ask you to sanitize yourself, but they also sanitized our bags. Like they had this machine, and I thought that is super cool. So yeah, that's what it is, and it's pretty cool. I can't show you how my room looks. It's pretty small, by the way, like it's tiny, but yeah, it's nice, it's nice. And we have 4 beds. I think hostels are fine if you live with your group and you know all of you all are fine. Like I know that people that I'm living with or staying with are fine, so they're safe. So that's amazing. I'll show you a room tour after a while. This is basically what it looks like. ऊपर का थोड़ा सा देख लो, यहाँ पे 4 bed है, and yeah, then we have a mirror right here, and this is what the mirror looks like. अभी कोई है नहीं, and then we just have a washroom right here. So that's that. And then I'll show you, we have a really nice space which is the smoking area, which I thought was super cool. I'll just show you. So it is around what time is it, 7 o'clock, and I'm actually headed outside. I'm going to Horse Cars Village. I've heard so much about that place, so I thought I'll go. So I'm meeting there with Dave and other people just for lunch, no, for dinner. So guys, I'm at Hapur Jat, and we are right now having momos because I have not had lunch. Like the last I ate was parathas, so I thought of having momos. And yeah, we are having momos. Also, oh my god, since the time I've got this, like my camera has like crazy stability, man, right?
Nice.
We also went to the Khan market where all these Delhi vloggers click pictures. It's pretty nice. Couldn't tell much because abhi raat ho gayi hai. It is good.
तो कैसे लगे मोमोज? चिली
एंड स्पाइसी. दिल्ली वाले तो क्या ही बोलते हैं.
हाँ, मुंबई वालों को ठंड लग रही है यहाँ पे. हाँ. ये देखो.
या वेरी वेरी कोल्ड.
मनाली में क्या होगा इनका फिर? यहीं पे ठंड लग रही है तो.
हॉट स्प्रिंग्स.
हॉट स्प्रिंग्स.
Good morning. Okay, so it's the next day today, probably my last day in Delhi today. We'll be leaving. Actually, we did check out, but the photographer that we are working with, he just checked in, so he got this room. So I was just doing my makeup for the day, and yeah, I think I'll be leaving for Manali at around 4 o'clock today. So it's currently 1, and I think this room is really nice, but obviously we were like 4 people, but this room is much better. And yeah, I really like it. Also, Delhi has been so much fun. Like, I think I've tried covering it as much as possible, but since I did not travel in 2020 at all, when like I was traveling, even when I was in the flight and on the roads, and then, you know, just interacting with people or just looking at things, oh my god, it is a different experience altogether. Like, I was literally soaking all of it in. Nothing, like, I don't think so there's anything that I've taken granted, not even like a chai, like, because I know 2020 mein jab lockdown hua tha, there were times when I used to also crave just like having tapri ka chai. So yeah, it has been so much fun and I feel so good. I feel so alive. This is the most alive I felt in a while, honestly. Like, last year was such a drag, and I'm so happy that I'm able to do this. The reel that I posted yesterday, and somebody also said that, oh, you want us to travel in the middle of pandemic. No, I'm not really saying that. I'm just sharing what I feel. Like, this is something that I think I needed for myself, and I'm so happy that I could do it, and I'm so happy that I'm able to share it with you guys. In no way am I asking you to like go travel, but if you can travel safely, if you can take all the measures, I mean, it's good, because as I said, like, I feel so good and so happy and just so rejuvenated and relaxed at the same time. Even though I have not had even like 4 hours of sleep in last 2 to 3 days, but I still feel so good and so energized, and every single day I'm like, okay, what are we doing next, what are we doing next? So this is the energy that, you know, I think I was missing out on. So I feel really good, and I think now we'll just probably click some pictures. I haven't clicked pictures. There's this really nice thing here. I'll just show you. So this is so beautiful. I do plan on clicking some pictures here. So yeah, I think I will click pictures there, and then uske baad I'll eat some lunch and then we'll leave. So this is fun. This trip was beautiful and just what I expected it to be. I feel really good, and I'm so excited for my Himachal and Manali trip videos that are coming your way. So stay tuned for that as well. Also, make sure you like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me, so please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.
झाड़ना पड़ा